is. Good and dirty. Just like a cheap rebuild should be. Alright, so the purpose of this video was not just for you guys to watch me clean a table and put an engine on an engine stand by myself and throw my back out in the process. I didn't actually do that, but you know, the jury's still out. We'll wait a few minutes. It was to show you guys that the Cutlass engine is very, very, very close to ready to assemble. I'm stoked. God, I say that every time. I am though. I'm super excited because look, it's the Cutlass. It's the damn Cutlass. Ugh. Ugh. It's the Cutlass. It's for this. We get to assemble the engine for this. I love this so much. Oh, I love this car. Even like as moldy and gross as it is, like I don't care. I love this car. I love these cars. Oh, I'm excited. All right. There's nothing scarier than you have to put your hand under the door, but not your fingers on the inside lip, and you have to scoop the door. Bang, just like that. It's like a finger guillotine if you're not careful. So, boom. Made in Mexico 350. Just some of the engine building guys are going to be like, ugh, even though I'm sure there are no engine building guys watching my channel. They're going to look at these heads and be like, oh no, I know exactly what those are. And if you can't tell just by looking at them, which it would be, this is a pretty telltale thing right there. These are 624 heads off my 85 Corvette. So, that thing right there. So, bummer, I know, because those heads are not amazing. But you know what? They did okay on the Vet. The Vet made crazy torque. A lot of that had to do with the intake setup. The tune port injection made crazy torque with the runners and with the Plenum runner design that it had. So I don't think you can credit a lot of the performance in the Corvette to the actual cylinder heads, because these were used on a couple of different applications, and they have a huge combustion chamber. Actually, I can flip these for you. Oh, good. These look like shit. These look like absolute shit. Okay, looks like we're going to be prepping these as well. What the hell? Yeah, these look better. Ugh. None of my cards are falling into place right now, but that's okay. We persevere. That's what we do. As mediocre car people, you know who you are. Talking in the mirror here. We run into a bunch of issues constantly because we're not very good at what we do. So you have to just figure out ways to fix it and get it done. Throw it together, seal it up, see what happens. But we got the crank. It's all ready to go. There's no pitting on this, thank God. Pistons are all cleaned up and ready to go. And I got my kit right here. Okay, bearings, ring filer, ring gapping tool, oil pump, bolt set, timing chain, double roller. Don't worry, the block's already prepped for that. A little bit of ARP hardware for the people. Boom. Naughty cam. So this should be everything. Absolutely everything. I've got bearings, hardware, piston ring. This is the adjustable ring compressor. Adjustable ring compressor. My rings right here. Timing set. Cam and lifters. You guys already saw that. Boom. Oil pump. Everything. Everything for the oil pump. I think this is actually it. I think this is everything I could possibly need. So now my nerves are going to go through the roof because that's who I am as a person. So yeah, first part of just prep here is cleaning up the pitting and the bores that happened because this garage is not ideal, as you can see. But that's what happens, and then I should have known better. So I'm going to scrub these bores down with some WD-40 and some green scrubbies and see how well I can actually clean up this rust really quick. Here we go. It's the Cutlass engine. It's finally the Cutlass engine. It's the Cutlass's time to shine. And a week from now, I bet they're going to call me about this engine. So I better build at least one damn engine in the next week or two because this is going to be a very busy time for me. Very busy. All right. So with a little tip from Thomas Bryan on YouTube, I found one of his videos and I watched it really quick, and it was just about using white vinegar. So I have some white vinegar over here that's been diluted to eat away at the rust that is apparently on everything I own. So I mean that's coming off pretty quick and pretty easy. So yeah, heavy shout out to him. I'm sure that information is quite a few places, but he actually had an example, a quick little video on it, and that's what I use. So good on ya. That works, no doubt about it. Now let's do it to the cylinder bores and see how clean we can get that stuff. Like, I'm so supremely excited, but I'm also just like deathly nervous that I'm going to mess something up. But I mean, part of life, right? Part of life. So this is what it should look like. That's what it should look like. And this is what this actually looks like. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Boom, clean, and WD-40 so they won't pit immediately. So don't worry, I will be wiping down the cylinder bores with like ATF to clean the cylinder bores and make sure everything's actually completely clean. But I mean, look at this. I mean, there's a lot of lint on it at this point, but that is pretty dang clean. And these cleaned up really nice as well. Still shouldn't let that happen, but if it does, white vinegar, you can dilute it, or you can just, you know, be on top of it and use just straight up White vinegar all the way. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. I'm sorry. I know, nothing too crazy, but this is all ready to go, and I should have all of the parts for the short block. All I think I need is a fuel pump. I might have a timing chain cover somewhere, but there's only a couple things. So we can start assembling this soon. So we can actually start assembling this soon. And I'm going to. I swear to it. I swear I'm actually going to start assembling this soon. And I'm going to start ordering some of the chassis components for the Cutlass so that we can actually put the engine in here. And so when we go to actually test fire it and do the break-in and everything, you know, we have a functioning stand for that. So hell yeah, guys and gals. Cutlass engine is prepped and ready for assembly. So all of this stuff eventually will be in here. And it can make noise. You guys are going to get to see me actually do my first cam timing, do everything that I really need, like all the testing and everything that I need to do to actually get this thing, you know, bolted up and ready to go. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. It's stupid. Also, sorry about the facial hair. Fiance requested that I keep it. So, sorry, you guys got to look at it. If it starts tying into my nose hair, though, I'm done. I'm shaving it all. All right. That's enough rambling. Super excited. Super duper excited. Building my first engine. It should make noise. This thing should do burnouts. I'm over the moon right now. So that's it for this video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.